Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is alternate number 3 using elements from the March 2024 paper pumpkin kit called Memorable Meadows. So I've got one of the card fronts and I've left it full size. I just trimmed it off and I'm going to put it on a Highland or a Gorgeous Grape background. So if you're doing this, you might need to put a lighter piece on the inside. So that will match up perfectly. I didn't have any Gorgeous Grape ribbon, so I took my Balmy Blue and White variegated ribbon and I colored it with the dark Highland Heather blend, and it goes actually really nicely on there. And I like it's just subtle, but there's the variation in color as it changes colors here. I've used it's the Little Things in Life That Matter greeting from the kit. And then I have used the die from the Love of Spring dies that coordinate, and it fits in perfectly. I've also used the leaves from that and used the purple vellum to cut the leaves out. And I've also cut some out of just plain white vellum. So I'm just going to build the card. I chose this front because I'm not covering up a whole bunch of detail by putting the greeting and everything here. You still get to see all of the detail down here. You still get to see a bit of the sky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just run some adhesive down the sides like this. And I want the greeting to be kind of in this space at the top. So I'm just going to fold the ribbon over like that. Make sure I'm straight with it and pop it over like that. And then I will just adhere the whole rest of the back. Like that. And then we're just going to put this right on the card front. We just need to be very careful that we've got it lined up correctly so we're not overlapping anywhere and we're not kind of shy anywhere. So now, I don't know if you can see on the video, but there it is, just that slight difference in color there. And we are nice and straight. So what I'm going to do is this is going to go over here like this, but all of these pieces of vellum are going to go in underneath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put lots of adhesive on the back of the greeting. And then I'm going to put the light vellum pieces on first, kind of like that. And at the bottom, I'm going to put 2 of them, kind of one on each corner. And then I'm going to come in with the purple in behind, just really so that you can actually see the white vellum. And that's going to fit really nicely. Concerning about if I had it all sticking out, it would not fit on the edges. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to pop that piece of purple vellum there. And this one on this side like this, maybe a little bit further out. And that's going to fit there like that. And then we'll put the third one in the middle like that. So now we've got lots and lots of foliage coverage. And then I'm just going to, you can dimensionalize this if you want. I'm just going to run some more adhesive across the back like that. Plop it down in the middle, right over the middle of that ribbon, like that. You can add some bling if you want. And then I don't think I'm going to use the sequins for this. So let's see what bling I've got. I've got these dots. I can use the Gorgeous Grape in here. Oh, I've got these ones. Those ones will be gorgeous on here. These are actually the Glossy Dots assortment, but they will work. So let's use these ones. I'm just going to grab my Take Your Pick tool, and I'm going to grab these small ones and just pick them up and just put some on. Oh, I like these glossy dots. They're kind of almost faceted. So if I do that like that, do I need any more anywhere else on the card? Nope, I think that's actually pretty good. So that is our third alternate using elements from the March Paper Pumpkin Kit. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more alternates.